Here I have Vivax Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on and Vivax logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's how you enter factory mode. You can use your touchscreen here at this mode, or you can use volume down to navigate and volume up to select. And here you have such options as board auto test, phone auto test, board single test item, phone single test item, proposed items, phone information, board test report, phone test report, proposed test report, reboot and factory reset. If you want to exit this mode, just select an option reboot and your device will be restarted after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.